Good morning, students. Today we are back again with an interesting topic called stars. Yes, everybody likes to see the night sky, to see the twinkling stars. Have you ever wondered what a star is and what is it made up of? Today I'm going to tell all the answers to you. So let's start stars. Stars are the celestial bodies. They are the heavenly bodies like the sun, moon, planets. They have their own heat and light like the sun. They are innumerable in number. It means in the universe there are countless stars. The brightest star in the sky is the pole star. As you know, the stars are made up of hot burning gases, but they look so small in size as compared to the sun. Why? Because sun is the closest star because it is so near to the earth. Now, in this slide, children, you can see the features of the stars, like it produces heat and light. They are innumerable in number. And you can see the brightest star, the pole star. Stars. A question comes in my mind. Why cannot we see the stars in the day? Why? Only at the night we can see the stars? Why not in the day? I'll tell you why. Stars remain in the sky in the daytime also, but we cannot see them because of the bright sunlight. The sun rays from the sun, we cannot see the stars. Now, next important concept which I'm going to tell you is constellations. Children, you know what is a constellation? In the night sky, if you just watch the stars and observe, you will find some of the stars make some patterns in the night sky. So, a group of stars forming a particular pattern or a shape is called constellation. In this slide, you can see three constellations. The first is the Great Bear. It is shaped like a bear only. Orion, an armed warrior, and Saptarishi. It is a constellation made from the 7 stars. Very interesting. Today night you will see and check if you can see some constellation. The next is galaxies. Now what is a galaxy? Galaxy is a large cluster of stars. You know, there are many galaxies in the universe. Our solar system is also a part of Milky Way galaxy, which contains millions of stars. See the different type of galaxies in the universe, children. Study the universe. Now, some children want to become doctors, some children want to become an engineer, and so on. So, you know, there are certain people who study about the universe also. Yes, astronomers. Astronomers are the people who study about the heavenly bodies, about the universe. And there are also people who go to see the outer space also. They are called astronauts. Now, astronauts and astronomers, they use different type of instruments and technologies to study the universe. You can see in this slide a picture of an astronaut. Oh, see, he's wearing something very different costume. And a rocket you can see and a spacecraft. Very interesting, children. Who are astronaut? An astronaut is a person who is specially trained to travel into the outer space. They help to find out more about the universe. They travel to space in special spacecrafts, not like the aeroplane or helicopter which we travel. They are the special spacecrafts. In order to travel in the space, they get the special training also. Now, in this slide, children, you can see exploring the universe. There are three different people you can see. First, Yuri Gagarin. He was the first man to fly in the space. You can see a picture of a dog. Yes, it's Laika. He's the first living thing to travel in the space. And Rakesh Sharma, he was the first Indian to fly in the space. So is this interesting, children? Very nice. So this much for today. I'll bring something new in the next class. Thank you so much.